7 things you need to be a successful vlogger or YouTuber. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Mariano Mkheti. I welcome you again to an online Lesotho TV. In this video you are going to learn what is required of you to be able to succeed as a vlogger. But before I proceed, I want to tell you that this video has an article, so if you prefer to read, just go to my blog onlinelesotho.news.blog and you will be able to access this article which talks about the things I'm going to talk about in this video. Now let's start rolling with this video. Now, what is vlogger or YouTube blogging? Vlogger or YouTube blogging is the process of creating video content and uploading them on video platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and many others. YouTube is the widely used video content platform. This is why I'm creating this video for you. Well, there are many forms of content that people consume nowadays. Some people prefer to listen to podcasts, which is an audio content. Some people prefer written content, which is considered to be blogging, and other people consider vlogging. Maybe someone might ask, what is the purpose of blogging or vlogging or podcasting? Content creation in all its forms gives you a chance to voice out your opinions or authority. If your theory is loved, you will be an influencer or a successful business owner or entrepreneur. Many people started simply by uploading videos on YouTube. Nowadays, they are so successful. I want to take this moment to showcase their success. Many brands have hired them to promote or to advertise their products on their channels. And for that, they get paid. Don't you want that too? Well, I definitely want money too. So I'm going to start this channel. That is why I'm proceeding with my YouTube lessons. But let me warn you, it takes time to gain authority. So you will have to play this game for a longer time before you are recognized, unless you can get a little bit lucky. Well, what are the things that you need to have or to know before you can be a successful YouTuber? 1. You should have a profitable niche or topic. 2. You have to find the right keywords for your content. 3. Create high quality content. 4. Optimize your content. 5. Promote your content. 6. Be consistent. And the last one, you've got to be patient. Now let's take these points one by one. The first one, choose a profitable niche or topic. Since you have decided to go with YouTube, it is now time for you to find the right niche or topic for your channel. You must find a profitable niche for your business or your channel. Your content has to be appealing. For example, sports in Lesotho is so untapped. There are no people who are talking about sports in Lesotho. You can take that as a niche for your channel and talk about underdevelopment soccer. Maybe one day any of the Basotho young kids will be able to go overseas and play soccer. Who knows? But you don't have to know much about your topic. As for me, I don't like topics that will force me to go out and outsource content. I try by all means to limit my costs so that I don't have to pay for anything I go for topics which are researchable online. I try by all means to avoid cost. However, you can learn from the already practicing people in your niche. If you are failing to find topics, you can use their ideas and transform them into your own ways. There is no idea out there which has not been done. It only differs from country to country. If you have the resources, or if you have enough money to get started, you can go for any idea. For example, you can go for tourism in Lesotho. But let me warn you, topics like tourism, they are going to cost you, because you are going to go from place to place asking people a certain information regarding a certain place. So I don't like those kind of ideas. Anyway, now let's proceed. The content ideas can be found from hobbies, from your inspiration, from your desires, and whatever it is that you love. Now I'm sure that you can get what I'm talking about when I say content topic or niche. Now let us proceed to the second point. You have to find the right keywords for your content. Now you have chosen the right niche for your content. Now it is now time for you to find the keywords. Keywords are the main primary source of your traffic. What I'm saying, keywords are the main primary source of traffic to your channel. If you do not do your keyword research well, you are going to lose. You cannot choose competitive keywords and expect to rank well in Google or on YouTube. You won't even make it to the top 10 results. And if you do not make it to the first 10 or 20 search results, you have a serious problem of losing out, man. There are many keyword tools that can help you to find or to generate keywords in your niche. For example, HP Super Tools is one of the tools which will help you to come up with ideas for your topic. You can even Google them so that you know what people are mostly searching for on YouTube. Number 3, you have to create a high quality content. You create high quality content using the keywords you researched. That way, you know what your target audience wants. To be successful, you have to produce a content that solves a problem. For example, let's say you chose to go with teaching children how to sing. Something like that. You get what I'm saying. You have to give them a weekly routine to do so that they can even learn how to sing on their own. Imagine teaching people how to sing, yet you don't know how to sing. What is that, man? Your content should yield results and not deceive people. I'm saying this because people hate wasting their precious time on no results yielding lessons. Yeah, there is a common saying that content is key, so ensure that your content wins the hearts of other people so that they keep coming to your channel. Number 4, you have to optimize your content. You have created your high quality content, but that is not enough. You even uploaded it on YouTube, but without the right optimization, you will still not rank on YouTube. Impressions are very important in any content marketing. Whether it is written, audio or video content, it has to make impressions before the eyes of other people. This is why I talked about the fact that your content has to appear in the first 10 results that are being searched online. On this section, you use the keywords you've researched on the title of your video and in the description of your video and in the meta text description. This is the only way you will be able to get more impressions. This will allow your videos to appear when related keywords are being searched on Google. Without the right optimizations, your videos won't get impressions, and when they do not appear, people will know about your existence. So ensure that you optimize your videos before you just leave, or else you are going to lose out on important clients, or you are not going to attract enough traffic. We are now about to reach the end of this video. We are left with 3 points. Promote your content. Your content on its own will not do well. You need some push factors or actions for it to do well. You have to promote it so that it reaches a larger proportion of your audience. You have to share it. Who knows? Other people may share it if it is high quality content. If you don't promote your content, you will see a little growth in your channel, but promotion drives massive growth. So ensure that you promote your content. You have to be consistent for you to succeed as a YouTuber. You need to decide on which day of the week you will go live on YouTube. Consistency is one of the drive forces which will get you the attention that you need. If you decide to post once a week, twice a week, or once a month, it's all fine, but ensure that you stick to your schedule, man. You need to stick to whatever it is that you decided, or else people are not going to take you seriously. They are not going to be convinced that you are here to stay, man. So be one not to leave such a huge gap of time between your videos. For example, I post at least twice a week or once a week on my blog. This way my audience keeps on getting new and fresh content on a weekly basis. You too should do this if you want to get authority in your niche. The last point is, for you to be a successful YouTuber, you have to have patience. Patience is the foundation of success. It will take time sometimes to get a breakthrough in your journey. However, if you are patient, you will see positive results. You can even start earning income online using the right monetization strategies. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we all learned about the things you need to run a successful YouTube channel. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to click below this video and go read the article yourself and compare if it is the video or the article that resonates well with you. And don't forget to click subscribe and ring that little button on the left so that you can get notifications whenever I post new videos. Until next time, bye.